morning, everybody. Happens to be one of our 347s. This happens to be the 450 engine package. Made about 470 and about 450 foot-pounds of torque. Again, it's all about quality engine parts. Is why we say custom build motors. Is, you know what? When you custom build what you need, you get it the way you want it, and it fits right in the car. Otherwise, you got to change oil pans and timing covers and all different kinds of things. Let us do the work, so make it easy for you. 1-800-267-3940. Oh, and all those that are just interested in other type engines, lsenginekings.com. Check out our new website, lsenginekings.com. Thank you. All right, Fat Fenders Custom, I want to thank you for your trust in one of our engines. This happens to be your 347 going to that 39 Mercury. Fire it up, Matty. How's that? Kicks right up nice. Idling at 850. You got about 50 some pounds of oil pressure. We got about 13 something on the AFRs right now. We got about 170 on engine temperature. Let's run.